Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our awesome content. Today, we've got something really exciting to share with you all. We're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and how you can turn it into a money-making machine. That's right, we're talking about how to make money with AI. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become a game changer in today's world. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations, AI is everywhere, and it's here to stay. But did you know that you can also use AI to create multiple streams of income? Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we'll explore some incredible ways you can leverage AI to make money while riding the wave of the future. First things first, let's get a basic understanding of what AI is all about. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. It involves using algorithms to analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Now let's talk about how you can monetize AI. Step 1 is to identify profitable AI applications. AI can be applied across various industries, such as finance, healthcare, marketing, and more. You can develop AI-driven products or services that cater to specific needs in these industries. Step 2 is to create AI-powered solutions. You don't necessarily need to be a tech genius to do this. Many platforms and tools exist that allow you to build AI applications with little or no coding knowledge. We'll introduce you to some user-friendly tools to get you started. Step 3 involves developing AI-enhanced products. You can integrate AI features into existing products or create entirely new ones. For example, you could develop a language translation app, a smart home automation system, or an AI-driven virtual assistant. One of the hottest trends right now is AI chatbots. These intelligent bots can engage with customers, answer their queries, and even help them make purchase decisions. We'll show you how to build an AI chatbot that can become your virtual sales team, available 24/7. Marketing is another area where AI can work wonders. Imagine having an AI-powered social media scheduler that analyzes your audience's behavior and posts content at the optimal time for maximum engagement. We'll reveal the secrets of AI-driven marketing strategies. Data is the new gold. With AI, you can gain invaluable insights from large datasets. You can offer data analysis services to businesses looking to make data-driven decisions. We'll discuss the tools and techniques you need to excel in this lucrative field. If you're looking for flexible work, AI freelancing might be your calling. There's a growing demand for AI experts who can work on various projects remotely. We'll explore the top platforms where you can find AI freelancing opportunities and how to market your skills effectively. Last but not least, let's talk about AI affiliate marketing. You can use AI-powered analytics to identify high-converting products and optimize your marketing efforts. By leveraging AI, you can boost your affiliate earnings significantly. There you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to make money with AI. The opportunities are endless, and with a little creativity and perseverance, you can turn AI into a lucrative income stream. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI, embrace its potential, and start your journey to financial success. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on technology, business, and personal development. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy AI adventures. Goodbye.